Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about how we can create multiple threads in a Java program. Now to create multiple thread, I'm gonna create one class A and extend the thread class, and inside the class A we have to define the run method. Similarly, we have to create another class B and it should also extend the thread class, and inside the class B we have to define the run method. Now to start the thread, we have to create object of class A like obj_a and call the start method, and also we have to create object of class B like obj_b and we have to call the start method. And this way we can create multiple threads where the first thread will start and execute the code we write inside the class A run method, and the second thread will start and execute the code we write inside the class B run method, and both of these threads will execute parallel to each other. So in this example program we have one class A which is extending the thread class, and then we are defining the run method, and the run method will print the string thread A along with the sequencing 0, 1 and 2. And then we have another class B which is also extending the thread class, and it is defining the run method, and this method will print the string thread B along with the sequencing 0, 1 and 2. And then inside the main method we have created object of class A and B, and then we have started the thread in both of these classes. So the class A thread will start and execute the code we write inside the class A run method, and the class B thread will start and execute the code we write inside the class B run method. So now I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program, and you can see the output. The threads in both of the classes A and B have executed their corresponding run method. So this is the way we can create multiple threads in a Java program, and we can execute them in parallel to each other. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.